All right, everybody, so we are hanging out down here in Johnson Park. And this is over in Milwaukee. Dream Team United doing a giveaway of groceries, food. We're doing a cookout. We got some resources down here, and we're here from 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock. Just trying to make a difference. That's it. So let me see if I can get this switched around a little bit. So we hanging out downtown. Well, not quite downtown. Y'all know downtown look a little different. But we got all type of food and stuff set up, so you can see this in the background. Some wonderful folks. So we're part of a group called Dream Team, MKE, Dream Team United. Miss Farina Brooks put together this incredible outreach to the community. We got a ton of food down here, and we just want to invite you. We'll be here from 2 to 4 or until food run out, whatever comes first. So we had like 2 U-Haul trucks and some vans and some other stuff. They done worked me hard, y'all. I done got more exercise this morning than I wanted. But that's completely cool. It's for a great reason. So we want to invite you if you're in need. Now, if you fat and full, you stay home. But if you need some food or you know people that may be struggling during this time and need some additional help, we want to invite you to come down. We've got a line forming. You can kind of see that in the background here. We're going to have, grill is going. We got a ton of food, giving away a lot of vegetables, fruits, potatoes, meat, just a little bit of everything. Come down, get some groceries. Come help somebody else out. If you know people that maybe don't have a ride, bring them down. Let them come out here again. We're here from 2 to 4 or until supplies run out. The line is forming down here behind me. Come through. Make sure you share this with other people that might need that or need to know that information. And again, want to say big ups to Dream Team United. Big thank you to Farina Brooks and all the other crazy people that are inside this group, man, that's making stuff happen out in the community. We were talking earlier that this is the type of stuff that you don't see in Milwaukee. Why? Because the media don't show you this type of stuff, not because it ain't happening. Don't believe everything you see on the news. They'll show you 3 black people doing stupidity, but they won't show you the 50 of us that came together today to pull this off. Hold on, let me check. Wait, I don't see not no media out here nowhere. It's 0. Not one camera. But it's a ton of people putting stuff like this together, doing the best we can to make a difference in the community and help those that may be struggling, may just need an extra blessing this week. My brother just literally gave his life to Christ like 5 minutes ago. Just said, hey man, I need Jesus. We can do that right now. No problem. So again, spread this message, pass it along. If you know folks, or if you are them folks, come down from 2 to 4. We're down here at Johnson Park, down here at the corner of 18th and Fond du Lac in Milwaukee. And we hope to catch you soon. Take care. Let me, hold on. I gotta show you what all is here first though. So we got all type of stuff is here. All type of stuff. Look. All type of stuff. Hey, y'all waiting for the camera. Ooh, that was a tire. One of them tire waves. They've been working. I know.
That's right. Thank you. God bless you.
All right now. All right, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off and probably get put back to work, get some more shots, get some more video. Again, big ups to Dream Team United. I love y'all. This is what it's about. Thank you to Farina Brooks, who has been out here cracking the whip. Got all type of folks from all over Milwaukee out here working. But this is what it's about, man. Being out here in the community, hanging out, doing some good stuff, trying to help out folks that need it. And if nothing else, man, just talking. Talk, laugh, share. You know, some of y'all Christians, man, come on down here. You ain't got to talk about Jesus 24/7. Just be him. Just be him. Represent him. All right, y'all. Signing off. Take care.